All rise. Support court with Judge Vanderby is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1064, Adams case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. Okay, Mr. Adams,
Yes.
you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, Your Honor, I've decided that I need a little more money a month with the child that we have, so that's why I'm here.
All right.
Mr. Adams believes the current support isn't enough for their 5-year-old daughter. Emphasize the context. He currently receives about $213 a month, which barely covers any child-related expenses. Asterisk, let's be real, $213 for a 5-year-old in today's economy. That won't even cover daycare snacks.
So currently, how much are you receiving?
I think it's about minimum wage.
Okay, so about what, $213 or so,
Yeah.
something like that?
Yes, around
Okay.
that area.
All right. How old is the child?
She's 5.
Okay. Does mom give anything extra? Has she been doing anything extra?
No. Nothing. Nothing.
Okay.
Nothing.
So how did you all get to this point? She's on minimum wage.
Father mentions she does nothing beyond the minimum. A key point to stress here is her previous unemployment and current financial negligence. Asterisk, it's not just about what's court-ordered. Raising a child requires shared effort emotionally and financially.
Child support, was she working previously?
She was working previously, and she quit the job, I want to say. I can't really get that backstory out of her. But we had to separate, Your Honor. I couldn't do it anymore.
You couldn't do what anymore?
I couldn't be with her. She started to get very just abusive for what it is. My breaking point, she went upside my head because I couldn't put her food in the microwave.
Oh, wow.
He alleges the mother physically attacked him because he didn't heat food. Judge reacts in shock. This builds emotional depth and tension in the story. Asterisk, physical abuse in any relationship is unacceptable. And this tells us the environment wasn't safe for either parent or child.
This lady did that?
Your Honor,
She looks so sweet.
No, you darn near need to get the bailiff in here. I can't. She's very abusive. She can play the funk.
Oh, okay. You're not gonna throw nothing at me, are you?
No, ma'am. No.
Okay. Well, he said you went upside his head. I just want to make sure you don't try to go upside mine.
You know, it was a rough day that day. You know, Your Honor, I'm diagnosed bipolar, and I was just having a really rough day. And our child, she was just really just crying all day, and I just needed a little bit of help. And he was just saying he couldn't help me at home, and so that's why I just kind of acted out.
Oh.
Important to address mental health with empathy, but also note that it doesn't justify repeated violence, which she later admits to. Asterisk, mental health struggles are real. But accountability still matters, especially when a child is involved.
Okay. So it was an isolated incident?
Huh?
Was it an isolated incident?
I'm sorry. When she get her foot going like that, I just say it again.
Was it an isolated incident?
What do you mean isolated?
Like, did that happen one time?
No.
She's gone upside your head numbers of times.
Numbers,
Okay.
dozens.
This contradicts her claim that it was isolated. It shows a pattern of toxic behavior, which could affect custody or visitation rights. Asterisk, this isn't just a one-time mistake, it's a pattern. That's dangerous when raising a child.
It's because he let my medication, I was off my medication, and he said he couldn't pay for it because it was too expensive, you know, but I'm back on my medication now, and he said we were going to try and work things out, you know, I still love him. I mean, look at him, he's a fine looking man, and, you know, I love our child. And
He's a nice looking guy.
I really want to work it out, and I just got this new job, and
Tell me about that new job.
well, I'm a manager at a fast food restaurant,
Okay.
and I'm trying to get back on my feet, and but I got a lot of debt, so I have to, you know, save that money.
The turning point. Now that her financial situation has improved, the court can legally and fairly increase her child support obligation. Asterisk, now that she's earning, she can't avoid responsibility. It's not just about debt, it's about the child.
And I don't feel like I can pay more child support right now.
How much are you making now at your new job?
I'm making $55K.
55,000. That's a lot from where you're at now.
I didn't have anything before, and I just have a lot of the credit card debt
Okay.
and health debt, you know, with my medication and my visits.
I understand. You understand that he has things that he needs to pay for you all's daughter, right?
Yes, yes.
And I can only imagine $200 or
That's a significant jump from minimum wage. Despite her debts, the court prioritizes the child's needs first. Asterisk debt is your responsibility, but your child? That's a shared responsibility.
so for a 5-year-old is not cutting it.
It's not.
You understand that, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
So it's only fair that your child support is increased because your income has changed and you have the means now to support your daughter a little bit better. Now, that's not to say, I understand that you have debt. I understand that you have things that you have to pay for, but
We all got debt.
with what's in the best interest of the child, your child support should be increased. You understand that, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Is your daughter involved in any extracurricular activities or anything?
Yeah, she's in ballet.
Ballet, okay. How much is ballet?
It comes to about, I want to say, about $200 a month.
200 a month? Okay. And she goes throughout the year?
Yes,
Okay. What about health insurance?
I pay health insurance.
All right, how much is health insurance?
It's about $222 a month.
Shows he's doing more than just the minimum supporting extracurriculars and medical needs. Asterisk. This dad isn't running away, he's showing up. Ballet, insurance, that's real commitment.
All right. Can mom attend any
No.
ballet? No?
No.
Oh, okay.
No.
Okay. Oh, okay, I see. So mom had supervised visits?
Yes.
Okay.
The court already had concerns about her behavior. Possibly due to abuse or instability, supervised visits aren't assigned without reason. It signals serious past concerns.
Interesting. All right. So this is what we're going to do, ma'am. We are going to adjust your child support so that it increases to reflect what it should be based on your new income. You testified that your new amount was $55,000. That would bring your gross to $4,580, bringing your net to $3,504. You only have one child? This is your only child?
Yes, Your Honor.
So that's going to be based on 20%, which brings your child support amount to $700.80. Now you do have to reimburse dad for the health insurance, okay? So that
Clear financial breakdown by the court. Based on income and expenses, it's a fair and legally sound update. This is how justice works. Facts, figures, and the child's best interest at the center.
it's $780 plus the $222 for health insurance reimbursement. That brings your monthly obligation to $922.80 per month. Okay? You understand that?
Can I just mention one thing, Your Honor?
Sure.
Reggie, he's a used car salesman, and he sold me this discounted car, and it's just a junk car, and I've been having so many bills from this car,
Okay.
and I just had it in the shop.
Classic deflection when cornered, bring up the car. But the judge wasn't having it.
And it was $750
All right.
because it's just breaking down, and I don't know how I'm going to be able to afford all this because he's the one who sold me this and said it was a good car.
So what
Your
did
Honor,
you
in
want
my
me to do
defense,
about it?
I sold her that car.
Well, here's the deal. I don't even need your defense because I didn't need her story. It doesn't have any impact on what it is that I have to do. This isn't a divorce where, you know, we're in a temporary orders hearing and we're talking about splitting debts and anything like that. So it's irrelevant to what we're doing here today. However, you have to take care of that expense. That's how you're going to have to handle it. And if the two of you have an issue that ends up having to result in litigation, that'll be done in a different court. Okay? So as of today, your child support has been increased to $922.80. Do you have any questions?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, do you have anything further?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, if there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
Thank you.
Judge's role: no nonsense, fair, and child-focused. Case ends with clarity and justice. Judge Vonda doesn't play games. She made it clear your child comes first, always.